In this lesson, we will learn how we can generate a meal plan or a recipe using ChatGPT. With that, we can also get customized recipes for, let's say, someone who is dealing with diabetes or high blood pressure. With that, we can also get some flavor combinations. Also, we can get customized recipes for a dish, let's say, that should be high in protein or vitamins. Let's see. Here is our ChatGPT. Let us create a new chat. Okay, now let's say I'll ask, give me a recipe of an Indian dish high in protein. Let's see what would be the recommendation. Chana masala with the instructions and what are the ingredients. Okay, that's fine. If you want another recommendation, you can click here, regenerate. If you want to copy, you can click here. Now let us generate a meal plan. What's a good meal plan for someone, let's say, dealing with high blood pressure? So it would be great if such things are also recommended in a proper way by ChatGPT. Let's see. We got all the recommendations: breakfast, mid-morning snack, lunch, afternoon snack, dinner, evening snack, and the notes also. So we got all the recommendations. And the last thing which I should mention, always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes. So this is really important. Now let us see some flavor combinations. What are some flavor combinations that go well with an Indian tea? Let's see what would be the answer. A recommendation. Flavor combinations. Okay, so we got it. So guys, I'll rename. So guys, we saw how we can use ChatGPT to generate recipes, meal plans, flavor combinations, and that too specifically, let's say, high in protein or someone who's dealing with diabetes or high blood pressure. But before following this, you should definitely consult a dietitian or a healthcare professional. Thank you for watching the video.